today I'm going to share with you how to make roasted curry powder so that you can use it for Sri Lankan cooking.
Here I have 4 stems of curry leaves and 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds. We also have 15 cloves, 8 green cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon black peppercorn, 2 tablespoons cumin seeds, and you can also throw in some red dried chili if you like.
I'm going to first start off by adding the coriander seeds. Now you see there's no oil or anything, so we're fully dry roasting this. There's no oil added, it's a dry pan, and the heat is set to medium. You can put it on like number 6. Okay, and we're gonna dry roast the coriander first for about, I don't know, a minute or so, and then we'll add in the rest of the spices. And now I'm gonna add in my cinnamon stick and my cloves, cardamom. Basically, I'm adding in everything except the cumin and the fennel. I'm gonna save those till the end because they tend to roast faster than everything else. So I'm adding in all of these. My curry leaves. There we go. We're gonna roast this again for about another 2 minutes. And you know what's working when you can see, especially the mustard seeds, sort of popping up, making little popping noises, like Rice Krispies. If you ever eat Rice Krispies cereal, it sounds kind of like Rice Krispies when you put the milk in. Okay, so 2 minutes have passed. Now I'm gonna add in my fennel and my cumin. Make sure your heat is still on medium to medium low. If you're numbered dial, keep it between 4 to 5. And then we're gonna roast this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just depends on how long it takes for everything to become brown. So you'll know it's ready when everything has changed color to a more brownish tone. Then you know, okay, your items have been roasted. Okay, so this is basically ready to pull off the stove.
So I'm adding all my spice mixture into a blender because we're going to grind it into a fine powder. I don't have a spice grinder, so I'm using a blender for this, but if you have a spice grinder, then you should be using that. Now your roasted curry powder is ready, and you can just store it in one of your spice jars, and you can use it for many, many dishes throughout. If you want to make more, just double, triple up the ingredients that I gave you, and it will last you much longer. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.